Multi-factor authentication MFA adds an extra layer of security to your Constant Contact account. Follow these steps to enable MFA and enhance your account protection. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Access security settings. In your account settings, look for the Security or Account Security section. This is where you will find options related to multi-factor authentication. Step 3. Enable multi-factor authentication. Find the option to enable multi-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to start the setup process. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Step 4. Choose your MFA method. Select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. Options may include text messages, email, or an authentication app. Make sure to follow the instructions for your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your MFA method, confirm the changes and save your settings. You may be prompted to enter a verification code to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on your Constant Contact account, ensuring better security for your information.